Hey guys, I got a pretty quick video for you today. I got a couple of shoes that I got in that I had bought pre-loved and I wanted to share them with you. I got some surprises. So if you are interested in my unboxing of my two shoes, stay tuned. Well guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who know me already, you already know, thank you for coming back. For those of you who are new, my name is Holly. I'm from Hollywood Wear. I actually make videos every Monday. They are usually on beauty and fashion and lifestyle, handbags, shoes, mostly on the pre-love market, sometimes new, but you guys know I love a bargain, so that's kind of what you're always gonna see here, okay? So I kind of show you how to have, you know, the nice designer things, but on a budget. Okay, so if you are interested in that, please subscribe below and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. So like I was saying, I have a quick video for you today. I ordered a couple of pairs of shoes and they finally came in, so I'm excited. I wanted to unbox them and show you guys first before I even get to start wearing them. So, all right, so I've been looking for some Chanel shoes. I didn't want, you know me, I don't really like a lot of the same thing that everybody else has. I like the cap toe, like the two-tone with like the nude and the black and the slingbacks, and I do want some of those, but I wasn't really like on the search for them. I wanted something that I really liked that kind of spoke to me, that was kind of different. So I did find a pair that I was actually really happy about, and I wanted to try those. So I'm going to show you my Chanels, okay? All right, so here it is. It came in the box and everything. Again, these are pre-loved. I get most of my shoes on the Real. It is a consignment website. They do like authentic designer luxury goods, and so usually I'll do like my purses and my bags on Tracy, but then I'll do get my shoes from the Real. So these came from the Real. All right, so it did come in the box. Originally these shoes were $7.45. okay, so these are the stretch spirit pumps, okay, and they are in the patent leather. So let's check them out. All right, so I got the actual card. It's the I can't ever say it right. Authenticity? Yes. Anyway, the card that came in here, the Chanel logo. I think this is really cool. You see how that is? It spells it out. Oh wait, hold on. Am I doing that right? It's upside down. Please excuse me. Oh my goodness. Anyway, it's like Chanel. I really like that. I think I'm gonna make it into like a picture or something. But anyhow, that came in the box as well. So I'm loving that. So that's there. It also came 2 dust bags. So they both each came in a dust bag. So I really like that fact that they came in a dust bag. So that makes me very happy. All right. So wow, very nice. So here it is. So these are kind of like the block heel. I love the block heel. It does not have a platform. It's just a thicker heel, and then it's, you know, it's like a stretchy here. So I'm gonna try these on and show you. It has like the CC logo right here. I don't know if you can see that. So that's that. But I'm really liking the block heel, and it's in really good condition. It has like the cap toe here, but it's all the one color. So I'm really liking those. So I'm gonna try those on and show you guys what those are looking like. Yes, I really like these. I love the block heel. They feel really comfortable. I think a little bit snug, but not too bad. I'm not worried about it too much. But yeah, these would be great with some jeans, with a dress, a little pencil skirt. Yeah, a little pencil skirt, a pair of jeans, a blazer, nice little cami underneath it, and these are just classic. And I'll be able to kind of wear these with all of those kind of outfits. So yeah, I really like these a lot. The heel is high, but because of it having like a thicker heel, it's not uncomfortable. And that's what I like. I didn't want to get something that was like, so I felt uneasy and unstable. So it kind of stabilizes it because that thicker block heel is stabilizing it. But yeah, I'm loving these a lot. I'm happy with my choice for my shell shoes. So, all right, and next, my next pair of shoes that I had got was actually from Fendi. I already have a Fendi pair, but I really like Fendi. I like the way that they fit. They're always really comfortable, and they're just different. I love different. So I did get a pair from Fendi. So I got these actually from Tradesy. So this is one time that I actually got a pair of shoes from Tradesy. I saw them, I love them, love them. The description, the lady who I got them from actually said she only wore these one time, and she only wore them for a short period of time. So I was really excited about these. These are gonna be great for the summertime. These are called the Flowerland slides or mules, okay? So I'm super excited. It does not come in with a dust bag, but it did come in the box. So these are it. I am super excited about these. I think these are gorgeous. Look at these details. Just look at the condition. Like she didn't wear them. Like they look brand new. Look at them. Pay attention. Yes. I'm loving the colors. It's gonna be great for the summertime. It has this little short block heel. I'm so in love. I'm so excited to wear these. I can wear these with so many things. With all of these colors, like an outfit like this, just a plain white outfit, pair of jeans and a t-shirt. Like I can just wear these. These are gonna be my go-to summer shoes. So I am super excited. They look wonderful. They are in great condition. Like when I say great condition. And again, I got a super good deal on these. These also were $700. I think I got them for like $150. I am just floored because I remember seeing these and wanting these and didn't want to spend $700 for them. So anyhow, I am going to try these on. These are in a 39. The Chanel's were on a 39 and a half, okay? They fit a little bit tighter. So I would recommend, and I'm going back to the Chanel ones, the 39 and a half with the Chanel, make sure that you are trying getting those in a bigger size because they are a little bit snug. Fendi usually kind of runs true to size. So these I'm expecting not to be as snug. So I really should have gotten like at least a half size bigger with those. Well, actually a full size because I'm a 39, so I probably should have gotten a 40. But anyhow, but Fendi is more true to size. So let me show you what those look like on, okay? Okay, yes, these are the ones. I am so happy. They fit perfect. Look at that. They fit perfectly. They are comfortable. They're just a great, these are, like I said, these are going to be my go-to shoes all summer long. They kind of make an outfit, they just like bring up an outfit just a little bit. Just plain jeans and a t-shirt and throw these on. Yeah, I'm really loving these a lot. So these are going to be my staple, and like I said, I can wear them with so many colors. I can wear them with jeans, I can wear them with a red outfit, a white outfit, cream color outfit, and it's not just a simple slide, a simple sandal. It's just a little something extra. You know me, I'm extra. So yeah, I love these. So I'm very excited about these. These are definitely going to be a keeper. All right, guys. Well, you know, I said that this was going to be a short video today. I did want to show you my shoes, though, before I got to wear them so that you guys can be the first to see them. So thank you for joining me today. Again, like I said, just go ahead and subscribe if you like this my content. And also visit me on my Instagram page, Hollywood_wear, wood with WOULD _wear, and that way you can kind of see me pairing my shoes and different outfits. I am including some mod shots here as well, so make sure you look at those. But this way you can just see how I pair the shoes with different kinds of outfits. Okay, so I love that you guys joined me today. Come back again next week for some more great content. Have a good day.